everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I look really like, I don't know. I put eyeshadow on and kind of like disappeared, didn't it? Anyways, this is the Ace Beauty, the Boxycharm try-on. That video is uploading, but it's 37 minutes. So this video will probably be up before that video because it takes a while. And you know what I'm like. Thank God you guys stick with me because I ramble, I whine, I grunt, I complain, I rant. But it's all fun in the end. It's all fun in the end. Well, sometimes it's not all fun in the end because it's all our money. You know what I mean? Anyway, today it's Ipsy. And boy, did I have fun with Ipsy this month. So, anyway, I'm just going to unbox it. I'm in Toronto, everybody. Canadian. Hello, it's freaking freezing outside. I just had to go downstairs and meet up with Veronica. We exchanged our Christmas gifts finally, even though it's like, what, January the 19th or something? What, 17th? Yeah, it's January the 19th, and we finally just got a minute to exchange Christmas gifts. And it was so cold. I literally met out and walked to the car, gave each other a hug, and I'm like, it's freezing. I'm going back inside. I can't deal with this cold. It's too cold. It's like minus 1,800,000 below outside, and I ain't dealing with it. Anyway, Ipsy. Ipsy is a American subscription. If you're in the America, like, you know, the United States of America, this bag is going to cost you, I think it's $12 a month. But for us Canadians, it costs us around $20 to $21 a month because converted over, and then we had to pay for shipping. Anyway, it's about $20 a month. So, I got my bag. On the 2nd of every month, if you're not with Ipsy, on the 2nd of every month is when you will get your spoilers as well as a chance to have the add-ons. And holy cow, February's bag is looking really good. And their premium box that we can't get here in Canada is looking good. And their other box that we can't get here in Canada is looking really good. So I tweeted Ipsy and because I know Makeup Geek, one of her old eyeshadow palettes is going to be in February, one of February's boxes for Ipsy, and I tweeted them and I'm like, listen, can you please make sure that's an add-on? Because us Canadians want to try out Makeup Geek too. You know what I mean? Like, I'm getting so sick and tired of that company not including Canadians. We can't even shop from their shop, and they're sending me emails all the time. This is on sale, and I'm like, why are you sending me this? I can't get it. Like, smarten up. I don't get it. I still don't understand how Canadians cannot get the bag, the box, or the premium. I don't get that. I don't understand it. Boxycharm can do it. Other companies can do it. Ipsy's been around since, you know, 1822, and they still don't have this offer to Canadians. So, like, get with the program, Ipsy. Really, get with the program, okay? Anyways, I'm going to show you what's in my bag as well as my add-ons. Again, on the 2nd of every month, they come out with your spoilers and a chance to get 5 add-ons per account. Deluxe size add-ons are $3 US. Then you have the full size, which is $12 US, or the extra premium add-ons, the expensive stuff, which is $18 US. So I wasn't happy with my bag this month. I believe there was 3 items in my bag that I've never gotten before that I got marked off. Do not give me, don't want it, never, ever, ever. And that's the whole point. They tell you, do your profile, do your reviews, you know, because they want to give you what you want. And then I spoke with somebody and she's like, too bad, so sad. But then I spoke with somebody else on Ipsy and I'm like, listen, you know, like, usually when it says rarely in your profile, that means you never use it. And I'm like, I'm a 45-year-old woman. I know what I'm going to use, what I like and what I don't like. So if I have something ticked off as rarely, that means don't put it in my bag because I don't want it. I'm not going to use it. I know my mind. I know what I like, and I work damn hard for my money. So if you're going to put things in my bag that's ticked off on my profile as rarely, then why am I giving you my money? Because I'm wasting my money. So anyways, let's hope next month is better. Okay. So the first add-on I got was a lip balm, and this is one of my rarelies that I ticked off. I did buy it as an add-on, and because I'm trying to find something that's good for my lips because my lips are so dry. Because I don't trust Ipsy and it's a rarely, I'm still going to give this a 1-star review because I don't want any more of these in my bag. Do you know what I mean? Because I've noticed if you buy something, next month you're going to have the same thing in your bag. So, yeah, it's still going to get, it might be great, but I'm giving it a 1 star because I don't want this in my bags, you know, for now until forever. So we're going to try this on. And it feels nice. Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with Hemp Oil. It's from Urban Juvie. Juvie. And what's it got in it? Because, you know, it's got coconut oil, beeswax, which is really good. It's got castor seed oil, cannabis sativa. Oh my, I hope I don't get high. Cannabis sativa root extract, seed oil. But it's got alcohol, and I know, and it's got menthol. And menthol and alcohol are not really good in a lip balm, but those are way down in the ingredients. So the coconut oil, the beeswax, and the castor oil, and I don't know, maybe even the hemp stuff. God, I hope I don't get high. Anyway, that's really good. So let's hope that this is a good one. It's not just going to, you know, make my lips feel moist for like 20 minutes and then kind of, you know, make you get addicted to these things and not help the problem of a chapped lips. So that was my first add-on for $3. And I don't know why I ordered another one of these for $3 because I don't know why. I was thinking I wanted another one of these for when we went away to Jamaica, but I just got this bag and I got back from Jamaica 2 days ago. You know, so I don't know why I ordered this, but it's cute. It's a little snowflake, so I'll keep that for our next trip. Isn't that sweet? And the ones that I grabbed before in last month, I had them on my suitcases. So that's cute. It's cute. It's a nice little keychain, snowflake Ipsy on it. But after I ordered it and paid for it, I'm like, Lisa, why did you do this? One of my other add-ons, $3, everybody, and this is one of the reasons I do like Ipsy and their add-ons and their bag is because you're supposed to get 5 deluxe size items. This is a full size. I got this for $3. Look at this Farrah brush. It is beautiful. I also got Miss Marcy. She ordered, oh, this is so soft. Oh, and this is going to be my new blush brush because it's so compact. It's going to get the blush right here where I've been trying to keep it because my other brushes that I've been using that's got that little, you know, cut off, a little bit cut off more, edgy, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you know what I'm trying to say. Those other brushes, I've seen when I put it on, I'm getting it down here, and I'm trying to get my blush up here, and this is going to be my favorite brush. So happy I got Miss Marcy grabbed me one of these from her add-ons as well, so I'm so happy I get 2. This is beautiful. I mean, it's heavy. It's a beautiful, beautiful brush. I love Farrah brushes. Now, I got another brush here, and I think I bought this as well, because I don't think I got a brush. Let me see. No. Okay, and I also bought this brush, a fan brush, Luxy medium fan brush, and again, I love Luxy brushes, so whenever I see on Ipsy add-ons that you got a chance to get a good brush for $3, I always get them. Like, you will always find me buying a brush. If it's not in my bag, I will always get them, and I'm surprised. I would have, come on, you dirty bugger, open up. Anyway, here's a fan brush. I just kind of destroyed that. I think that was me. But it's very nice and soft, and it's a nice little fan brush for your highlight. Cool. I have a new brush. Yay. I have to wash my brushes, and I don't know when I'm going to get the time to wash these brushes. And there's more right here that can't fit into my little holder. Very happy to have a clean brush. Okay, I should keep that out to show you in a minute. All right, so we're going to go into my bag, and this is such a cute bag. Look at that. I love the marble. I love the pink inside. You know, I love the color, the Ipsy right here. This is such a cute bag. I really, really like this bag. It's good material. It's not like crappy kind of, you know, cheap material. It's really, really nice material. Why do I feel like I look like an absolute mess right now? I just do. Okay, so we're going to go into the bag. And the first thing in this bag that y'all going to make fun of and laugh when you see it, because I don't know how many times I have mentioned on this channel that this product drives me bananas, okay? This company. And it's a freaking hand cream. One of the things I hate getting in my subscription boxes is hand creams. I have so many of them, and I know some people like it and some people like this brand. I do not like this brand. This brand is always in FabFitFun. They put that Abaha lotion in every single FabFitFun box. This is why I will not subscribe. Well, they got that lotion in the box. That's not the other reason, but I joke and say it is. Anyways, this was a rarely. Imagine my delight, if you have been with me on this channel for a while, imagine my delight when I seen that I was getting this in my bag. If you've been with me on this channel for a while, you know how I feel about this. I know you're all laughing right now because I just know you are. Okay, next thing in this, and this is another thing I said to Ipsy, like, stop freaking sending me brown eyeshadows. Stop. Every month I get a brown eyeshadow, and I love browns. You guys know I love browns, but every single dang asking month I get a brown eyeshadow. And she's like, well, you can take it off. I'm like, I can't, because in the nudes, which I like, champagnes, you know what I mean? So if I tick that off, I'm not going to get those colors. Shoot, I have no battery. Okay. So yeah, they sent me this, the Nomad eyeshadow in henna. Another brown. It's pretty. It's nice and creamy. So we'll, you know, give it a try. I'm running out of battery space. I have to do this fast. Then I got, I picked the Morphe concealer in the shade C155. And this is full size, which I think this is, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks at Morphe. Gonna give it a shot. I've heard different reviews on this. Good, bad, the ugly. Gonna give it a shot. But hey, thanks, Ipsy, for sending me my actual, you know, concealer shade. Thank you. Appreciate that. Boxycharm didn't get it right. Then I got a lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick, Bella Pierre, in the shade Envy. Another thing that I have pressed rarely on my profile. But I'm going to try it. It looks like it's a nice enough color. I don't know. Let's put it on. I think I can dig this lipstick. Yep. Okay. I'm happy about it now, but I find you never get the shades usually that you like with Ipsy, which is why I do not have lipsticks, you know, ticked off. It's on rarely because I usually rarely ever get the shades that I like, so which is why I got it as rarely, but I like this shade. I can't believe it. Okay, not too mad at that. And then I got Sela Seed and Skin Scrub. Smooth it onto damp skin in a shower, gently massage onto your skin and rinse. So it's a body scrub, you know, exfoliator and stuff. This is another thing I have rarely on in my Ipsy account. I don't use it. You know, I have a couple in my bathroom that I completely forget to use every now and then. Probably once every 3 months I might use. It'll take me forever to use what I have in there. But I don't use these. So this was a rarely for me. You know, if you're going to send me stuff in my bag, I want it to be stuff. Do I have this again? I want it to be stuff that I'm going to use all the time, right? And this is a rarely. So yeah. Anyway, so I wasn't very impressed. I love the bag, but what I got inside the bag, okay, not happy. That's a rarely. The lipstick was a rarely, even though I like the color. This was a rarely, and for crying out loud, I have given every brown eyeshadow that I've gotten in the last 6 months 1 star. Because I don't want any more brown shades. I have enough brown shades. You know, like a cute little champagne color, I'm all about it. But anyway, I'll give it a try. We'll try it out. You know, there wasn't a lot of makeup in this bag, which is kind of, you know, I mean, the only makeup I got, well, I got the concealer and the eyeshadow and the lipstick, and I don't have a lot of skincare ticked off on my bag. You know, in my profile, I really don't. I have primer. That's what's there, primer. That's it. The rest is all makeup. Primer and hair stuff. That's what I have ticked off in my profile. So hopefully they get it right next month, because they do have some really awesome things coming out next month from what I've seen in the spoilers. But that's what I got in my bag for 20 bucks. So it's not bad, because you've got the full-size concealer. You know, the add-ons were fantabulous. I'm not upset about the add-ons. This is a full-size lipstick. I'm assuming it's really pretty. Yeah. And then we got the brown eyeshadow. So 20 bucks, you know, it still works out to being, no, you know, it don't, because I'm not going to use 2 of the items, so it was blah. But this is a full-size lipstick, and like I said, I do like Bella Pierre lipsticks, and I love bullet lipsticks, and this looks like a pretty color. So in the end, I'm not too mad at it, but don't give me any more lipsticks. and I'll still give this 1 star because I don't want any more lipsticks because you're going to end up sending me pink or red or purple. You know what I mean? So, yeah. That's what's in my bag. Let me know, what did you get in your bag? Were you happy with it? Did you get it yet? Is it still lost? What's going on with it? And I'm really looking forward to February so much. I was thinking about signing up on my another account and getting a second bag and canceling Topbox, which I'm going to do that right now because Topbox is pissing me off. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to cancel 1 Topbox this month and only stick with the 1 Topbox and take the second account Topbox and use it towards Ipsy February because I've seen the spoilers and it looks pretty good, you know, and hopefully I don't get repeats in both bags because then it just defeats the purpose. But that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.